welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something I think we all know too well, the slow PC.
Yeah, that drag when you're just trying to open a file or, run something basic, it's frustrating.
Totally. So we've looked at a guide on speeding things up and also, interestingly, a YouTube outro script. Bit of a contrast there.
Yeah, a little different.
But our mission here is simple. Pull out the free, practical tips that can genuinely make your computer faster.
Yeah, exactly. No spending money, just optimizing what you've got. So, first up, startup programs.
Okay, startup programs. Why are they such a drag on speed? What's happening there?
Well, think about it. When your PC boots up, it's trying to do a bunch of things at once.
Right.
Startup programs are basically apps cutting in line, demanding to launch right away.
Right.
The more you have, the more resources get used up immediately. Memory, processing power.
Okay. So they're hogging everything right from the start.
Pretty much.
So how do we, tell them to wait their turn? What's the method?
It's actually pretty straightforward. Just hit Control plus Shift plus Escape.
Okay, Control-Shift-Escape.
Yeah, that brings up Task Manager. Then you click on the Startup tab,
Got it.
and you'll see a list of apps. Just look for stuff you don't need running the second your PC turns on. Maybe, like Discord, Steam, OneDrive. Depends on your use, obviously.
Right, things you can open later when you actually need them.
Exactly. Right-click on them, choose Disable.
Wow.
Simple as that.
Nice. That feels like an easy win. Fewer things fighting for attention means a faster start. Okay, what's next?
Next up, let's talk about temporary files.
The digital dust bunnies.
Kinda, yeah. Your computer creates these files for, temporary reasons while you work. But they don't always get deleted.
And they just pile up.
They can, yeah.
Yeah.
And they take up disk space, which can sort of indirectly slow things down, makes the system work harder to find stuff.
Okay, so time for a clear out. How do we do that?
Two main ways. First, press the Windows key and R together.
Win plus R.
Type %, that's %, %, and hit Enter. That opens a folder. Just select everything in there and delete it. If it says it can't delete something, just skip it. It's usually fine.
Okay, delete the temp clutter. What's the second part?
Then search for Disk Cleanup in your Start menu. Run that tool.
Disk cleanup. Got it.
It finds other temporary files like System 1s. Make sure to check the option to clean up system files too for a deeper clean.
Feels good to reclaim that space, so that should help. What about software we just don't use anymore?
Oh yeah, that's a big one. Unused software.
We all have those programs we installed ages ago and forgot about.
Exactly. And even if you're not opening them, some might have little background processes still running.
Sneaky. Eating up resources without you knowing.
Sometimes, yeah. Or just taking up space and cluttering the system. It all adds up.
So another spring clean is needed. How do we uninstall properly?
Go to your control panel. Find programs or programs and features, then uninstall a program.
Okay, control panel, uninstall.
Yep. Look through that list, honestly. If you haven't used something in months or years, maybe like old Adobe trials or multiple old Java versions,
Get rid of them.
just uninstall them. Less baggage, cleaner system.
Makes sense. Now, I've heard Windows itself, like the visual effects, can slow things down. Is that true?
It definitely can be. All those fades, slides, animations,
Yeah.
they look nice, sure.
Yeah, the smooth transitions.
But they do use processing power. Tiny amounts, but it contributes. If you're really prioritizing speed, you can turn them off.
Okay, how do we do that? Sacrifice some eye candy for speed.
Exactly. Search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows in the Start menu.
Adjust appearance and performance. Okay.
In the window that pops up, you'll see options. Just select Adjust for best performance.
And that just turns off the fancy visuals.
Mostly, yeah. Things might look a bit more basic, less smooth maybe,
Yeah.
but it frees up resources for actual tasks. It's a trade-off.
A trade-off worth considering if your PC feels sluggish. Good tip. Any bonus advice?
One really crucial one, check for malware.
Ah, yes. The hidden performance killer.
Absolutely.